Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I have some flour, baking powder and salt, and I'm just gonna knead it to form a soft dough. Today I'm making something that my mom used to make for us when we were growing up. We don't have a name for it, so I call it corned beef fry bake. Because basically you just fry the corned beef and put it in the bake and fry it. So after I form the dough, I just cover it with a piece of wet paper towel and put it aside. And now I'm going to fry the corned beef. My oil is heating here. And here I have the corned beef, pimento, garlic, onion and green scallions. So I'm going to put everything in the pot besides the corned beef and pimento. I'll add that a little later on. And you don't want to put too much oil. I put like 2 tablespoons of oil. So here I'm adding the corned beef and the pimento. And you just want to fry this up for probably about 5 minutes, because this doesn't take long. The corned beef doesn't take long to cook. So now I'm adding a dash of adobo seasoning and some ground black pepper. So now that it is finished, I'm going to leave it to cool a little while I make the little balls. You basically just want to break the dough into small pieces. You can make it the size you want and just fold them in. And you don't have to leave this to raise, because as soon as I finish here, I started adding the corned beef in them. Okay, so we're just gonna flatten out the ball. You don't want to leave it too thick, so you flatten it out a good way. And then you just add the corned beef. Now you don't want to put too much corned beef, so it will burst when you pressing it again to fry them. So you just want to add enough, so when you're closing the dough, it's just right. Also, those of you who are here for the first time, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post videos. So here I'm just flattening them out a little again to start frying them. And you want to fry it on medium heat because you don't want it to get too much color and get burned. Also guys, you fry them until they are golden brown on each side or to your desired color, because the gas stove and the electric stove is a little different, so you know, it depends.
We have no more pizza. Come on. No.
Okay guys, so here it is. I'm just cutting one so you guys can see how it came out. Okay guys, so until my next video, God bless and be safe. Bye guys.